In a world where hopium and common sense collide, starring the CryptoKeeper and BlockchainCrusader. Welcome to Debate Crypto.
Question everything, trust nothing. It's your boy BlockchainCrusader here from Debate Crypto, guys. What is going on Memorial Weekend, guys? I hope you guys had an amazing weekend. But we're back, right? It's Monday. I know people still took the day off, but not here at Debate Crypto, guys. We don't take any days off here. So, what do we got today? We got some bullish momentum, guys. I got my bullish hat on for crypto. The Bitcoin market is having a rally, but is this a bull trap? Are we being set up right now, guys? And we're going to nosedive right back down. We're going to be covering that real shortly here on the show. Also, we've got Goblin Town is in the house now. Goblin Town is making a massive takeover in the NFT marketplace. A free mint that is now worth over, I believe it's like $50 million, guys. A free mint. And with that being said, you already know what I'm going to drop. I'm going to drop the spice, right? DCA, not dollar cost average, my friends, not dollar cost average, but DCA, Danger Close Alpha, is going to be dropping a free mint. So if you think Goblin Town has been doing well, and if you don't know what Goblin Town is, we're going to be covering it here. So make sure you stay tuned, guys. So smash the likes, hit the subscribe, share the live out with your friends. And if you haven't joined the Discord for Danger Close Alpha, definitely join the Discord. The link is pinned in the chat, and the link is also below in the description of the video, guys. So let's start checking these crypto markets out, how they doing today after such a, I guess you can say, bullish day. But here we are, guys. Here we go. So, green all around, guys. Look at these massive green bubbles. Waves up 69%. HNT up 30%. Rune 22. Axes 31. ETH up 10%. AR, I don't even know what that is. Up 14. ADA up 18%. Link up 11. Let's see what else we got over here. We got Monero up 10% as well. Flow, Engine, all these up in the 10%. Luna Classic up 23%, guys. I hope you guys are holding on to your Luna Classic. That's a joke, guys. Not financial advice. You know how I feel about Luna Classic. Bitcoin up 7.9% today, guys. Quant up 10%. So all you can see here is just green all around. Are we back in the bull market? ApeCoin up 16%. Are we setting up to skyrocket off into the green skies of nothing but new all-time highs? I don't know, but we're going to be checking the charts here up next right now to see what is actually going on in the charts. So let's jump into the charts real quick. The charts are showing us a few different things right now. A few different things. So if you are looking at the charts right now, let me take this out of the way. Let me zoom out a little bit here. So this is where we've been. We've been on this downward regression trend this whole time, all the way since October of 2021. And we've hit the top, we've come down, we hit the middle, we come down, we hit the middle, came down, went over the middle, came back down again, went all the way to the top, stayed above there, kind of tried to stay above the heart line, couldn't, boom, broke back down. And now we are finally here. What looks to be like a Bart Simpson. If you were here for TA Thursday last Thursday, TA experts have been calling for maybe a possibility of this Bart Simpson pattern, which is a massive drop, choppy hair, right? If you think of Bart Simpson's head, it's a long line, choppy hair, and then another long line up. Are we setting ourselves up here for an inverse Bart Simpson pattern? Possibly. We've had this massive green candle on the daily, guys. This is on the daily time frame here. We're up at 31,705 right now. We're crossing this hard line. Obviously, there's always going to be some resistance here. So can we close above this hard line? We will see. RSI extremely over the top, right at about 73 right now. So that is overbought. Stochastic showing the same thing. So could we be coming down? Could we cool off? Very possible, right? On the 4 hour as well. Extreme RSI overbought territory, right? But as you know, in the past, we've been up there, and in the recent past, we haven't stayed up there for long periods of time. But you guys know we can stay up there for longer than what rationale should tell you we should be up there. But we are setting up a massive green day, which obviously the altcoins are feeling the love, guys. They are feeling the love. And if you haven't shared any love with us tonight here on Debate Crypto, smash the likes, guys. Let me go through some of these. Goblins, question mark. We're going to be covering goblins real soon, guys. Sean in the house. What's up, DCA Warriors? Machu, thank you for the super chat. Greatly appreciate it. What's up, everybody? I'm seeing all the love in the chat. Greatly appreciate all the love. Keep smashing the likes. Share out the live. Drop a comment below. Get involved. Drop into the Discord, guys. DCA. Keep thinking about dollar cost average because that's what I've been doing for the past couple of days. But no, not DCA, not dollar cost average. DCA, Danger Close Alpha, baby. Join the Discord. We are going to be dropping a nice little sneak peek of art tonight into the Discord, guys. So if you want to see it first, you want to see it anywhere, Discord is where it's at. So make sure you're dropping into the Discord for the drop of a sneak peek of art that's coming up tonight. With that being said, let's move on here, guys. Let's move on to the first article of the day. Bitcoin. Long-term holders continue to soak up the crypto, right? They keep buying up the Bitcoin. Are the long-term holders the one pushing the markets back up after everything we've seen? Let's see what the on-chain data is telling us, guys. The fundamentals of Bitcoin are always bullish, right? The only thing that gets bearish is the sentiment from the day-to-day or week-to-week. So on-chain data shows Bitcoin long-term holders continue to soak up supply around 30K. Guys, remember, stay tuned for the Goblin news. That's later in the show. If you don't know what goblins are, definitely recommend you stay tuned. So bear markets are typically marked by a capitulation event where discouraged investors finally abandon their positions and asset prices either consolidate as inflows to the sector taper off or a bottoming process begins. According to the recent report from Glassnode, Bitcoin holders are now the only ones left, and they appear to be doubling down as prices correct below 30K, which now we're above, by the way. Evidence of the lack of new buyers can be found looking at the number of wallets with non-zero balances, which has plateaued over the past month, a process that was seen after the crypto market sell-off in May of 2021. So you guys can see here, this yellow is marked by the number of addresses with a non-zero balance plateau during this period right here. It plateaued, right? It was not growing. But look what's been happening. Since this top here, we've been coming down. The more we've come down, the more this yellow has filled up, meaning that now, more than ever, especially after this capitulation over here, right? After this drop from 40K lower, we have been seeing more and more addresses with non-zero balances, meaning more people are getting into Bitcoin. So unlike the sell-offs that occurred in March 2020 and November 2018, which were followed by an upswing in on-chain activity that initiated the subsequent bull runs, blah, 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 whatever. Okay. Signs of heavy accumulation. While many investors are disinterested in Bitcoin's sideways price action, which is always boring, and people get completely bored when it goes sideways. People like it when it's going up, and people like it when it's going down. If it's not an emotional roller coaster, we don't want to ride. That's just the way it is in the crypto markets. So, Bitcoin sideways actions. Contrarian investors view it as an opportunity to accumulate a point, evidenced by the Bitcoin accumulation trend score, which has returned a near perfect score of above 0.9 for the past 2 weeks. So the accumulation trend score here, 7-day moving average, as you can see here from January to September of 2021, we were in this distribution phase, which wasn't that great, right? And then we went into this downward trend, which is a previous instance of 0.9 plus during a macro trend, 2018, March 2020, December 2021. These are, obviously moments where things change. So we then entered another intermittent accumulation, low conviction rate, right over here around January of 2022 all the way up to about May-ish time. And now we're entering again 1.5 weeks of strong accumulation, therefore showing people are getting interested in Bitcoin at these low prices. So according to Glassnode, high scores on this metric during bearish trends generally trigger a very significant correction in price, which we're seeing today, right? We're seeing a correction in price after dropping down to 28, 27, 26, and just staying down there for a while. In price, as investors' psychology shifts from uncertainty to value of accumulation, right? People eventually get tired of the fear. People eventually get over it, and they're like, there's no more reason to be afraid. We've been here long enough. I think it's a good time to start buying up. We might not be going any lower, and if we are, I am comfortable dollar cost averaging on the way down, right? That's how people start thinking, because once you start seeing the drop, people freak out and they're riding fear for a while. But there's only so much fear until people excuse me, guys, begin to get accustomed to the fear, and then the fear becomes numb to them, and it's no longer fear. People see it as buying opportunities. Whoa, give me a second here, guys. Talking too much, so much value coming out of here that my throat is trying to suppress me. And of course, I've got no water. I had a drop of water. Hopefully that's enough to rehydrate myself. Photosynthesis, like SpongeBob says, I don't need it. I don't need it. The idea that Bitcoin is currently in the accumulation phase was also noted by CryptoQuant CEO King Young Yu. I hope I said that right. Who posted the following tweet asking his Twitter followers, why not buy? The last Bitcoin accumulation phase was in mid 2020, lasting for 6 months. I remember that phase. That was a great, great phase. That was also right around the time of the Great Fog around the world. When that happened, people that bought on that March crash all the way through May made a ton of money. As of May 2022, for me, it's pretty obvious that Bitcoin is in an accumulation phase. Institutions that drove the 2021 bull run bought in this 25 to 30K range, which is obviously true. There's a lot of Bitcoin bought at 25 to 30K by Elon, by MicroStrategy, a lot of big names that we probably don't even know yet have bought Bitcoin around that period of time as well. So why not buy? Serious question. Very serious question for this guy. A closer look at the data shows that the recent accumulation has been largely driven by entities with, the savior. We got some water. Thank you for bearing with me, guys. Smash the likes so I don't choke. Smash the likes, guys. So, a closer look, largely be driven by entities with less than 100 Bitcoin and entities with more than 10,000 Bitcoin. And the recent volatility, the aggregate balance of entities holding less than 100 Bitcoin increased by 80,724 Bitcoin, which Glassnode noted was remarkably similar to the net 80,081 Bitcoin liquidated by the Luna Foundation Guard. Dun, dun, dun. Once again, Luna is in the news. As they dumped their Bitcoin, somebody was scooping it right back up, my friends. So Luna sell-off, you see right here, bam, slam, and then boom, right back up, right? They're buying the Bitcoins, guys. Somebody's buying the Bitcoins. The Bitcoins aren't just being thrown back on exchanges and nobody wants them. No, don't tell me that nobody's picking up Bitcoins at these low levels. They're picking it up. So here we are. Long-term haulers are still active. Another massive chart right here. The long-term hauler, excuse me, guys, SOPR 7-day moving average. As you can see here, long-term haulers realizing losses on average of negative 27%. Every time we come down here, what happens right after? What happens right after? Right? We're down here. What happens? We're down here. What happens? We're down here. What happens? We're down here again, guys. What do you think is going to happen? What do you think is going to happen? We're here once again. I might not know how to read. I might not know how to do math, but I think I can look at a picture and I know where the next pattern is going to be. I don't know. Smash a 1 in the comments in the chat if you think we're going to go back up. Drop a 2 if you think the pattern is going to break and we're going to just keep dropping down forever, guys. So, the on-chain, bullish, always bullish, never negative, 100%. Why are we worried here, right? So, I'm glad we covered this. On-chain metrics are showing that Bitcoin's value is obviously always being measured. People are always interested in Bitcoin. and they're buying it. Bitcoin is having a correction in price on the way up, aka the blue hat, the green hat, the bullish hat is on for the day. But is it a bear? Is it a bull trap? Are we gonna be trapped and we're gonna come back down lower? I don't know. You should check out TA Thursday this Thursday coming up because it's gonna be crazy and we're gonna tell you what's gonna be happening. One more sip for water, guys. Give me a second here. Seeing all the ones in the chat, guys. Seeing all the ones in the chat. Bam, 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 bam. We're going up, baby. We're going up. Everybody's bullish in the chat. So up next, we have 10, not 1, not 2, not 3, but 10 giant businesses in Brazil that are getting into Bitcoin, guys. This one's gonna be quick, right? 10 Brazilian businesses, 10 Brazilian business giants. Giants. They're not dwarfs, they're not midgets, they're not mid-size. They're giants that have taken the Bitcoin crypto plunge. They're going down the rabbit hole, right? Crypto adoption is on the march in Brazil, where the government has all but incentivized mining by waiving tax duty on mining rig imports. Hello, I think I might need to call up a friend in Brazil, right? I think I'm going to have to make some new connections down there. I think I actually know a guy. Actually, I do know a guy in Brazil. So I'm going to be making some phone calls. After a major property developer revealed that it will begin accepting Bitcoin BTC pay for new apartments. So they're going to be paying them for new apartments. The Brazilian media outlet Exame, pretty sure I butchered that because it's in Portuguese, listed 9 major domestic firms that have sought to enter the world of crypto as more Brazilians and companies in the nation look to enter Web3 powered future, baby. That's what I'm talking about. But so fast is the speed of adoption in the nation that even while creating this article, yet another major player announced it, and it will begin its own crypto journey, boosting the list to 10. So Firm 99, whatever company that is, I'm not familiar. It's a taxi vehicle hire app that was founded by Sao Paulo and now serves more than some 300 Brazilian towns. So I guess it's kind of like an Uber kind of thing. BTG Pactual, largest investment bank, launched Mint, a crypto app, a crypto trading platform back in 2019. Empiricus, pretty sure I didn't say that right either. Financial publishing company has taken the first dive into crypto. Even Gafisa and all these others, guys, major companies in the country, all jumping into Bitcoin. This is just a small list of 10. There will be more and more companies, not just in Brazil, but many, many other countries also getting into crypto, especially Bitcoin, as they learn and figure out that financial freedom is possible. Dramatic pause. And we're back. Guys, if you haven't smashed the likes, give me a like up here, guys. I am sweating it. I'm sweating here. Guys, the fan is off, the AC is off. I don't know why, and I'm burning up in here. These ring lights are killing me. Join the Discord, guys. Join the Discord. The link is pinned in the chat. It's also in the description of the video. Make sure you're in the Discord. Danger Close Alpha. Prepare. Victory favors the prepared. If you're not preparing with all the red flags that we're seeing around the world right now and in the markets, I don't know what you've been looking at. But we must prepare for what is coming. No matter what it is, we must prepare. Whether it's financial, whether it's governmental, whether it's economical, whether it's food supplies, all kinds of scenarios can be playing out here very soon. There's a lot of red flags for a lot of them. Make sure you get prepared. Make sure you're part of a tight-knit community that are helping each other grow, get resources, and get skills to protect yourselves and to provide for yourself if anything were to occur. So now on the Goblin Town, baby. Goblin Town. The left hook that nobody saw coming is Goblin Town into the NFT space. So let's quickly cover this right here, guys. Goblin Town. I'm still amazed by Goblin Town. Goblin Town, Goblin Town, Goblin Town. I do not know what to tell you guys about this Goblin Town. Let me just show you here real quick what the Goblin Town is. So blue chips, right, are dropping. Their value is dropping like a rock. And Goblin Town is surging. AKA, also, by the way, if you guys haven't seen a Goblin Town, let me quickly stop sharing this real quick and show you what a Goblin Town looks like. First of all, let me just show you what Goblin Town looks like. So, this is Goblin Town, guys. This is Goblin Town right here. Goblin Town. This is the art, my friends. This is the art for Goblin Town. I am no artist, but if I tried, I think I could draw a better stick figure than this. But that just goes to show you, beauty is in the eye of the beholder, right? This thing is so freaking ugly that people love it, right? Floor price is 2.8 ETH, guys. 2.8 ETH. This was a free mint. This was a free mint. I want to repeat, free mint. The people minted these for free. They were so ugly, they were giving them away for free. They've got 4.5 thousand owners, 10,000 of these. They have a 13.8K ETH trading volume. That is amazingly high, guys. And what do they do? What is the utility? What is the purpose of Goblin Town? Let me show you. Let me show you what the purpose of Goblin Town is. The purpose of Goblin Town. Everybody get crazy. Get ready for the purpose of Goblin Town. Because you're about to hear it. Let me pull up the article here. I'm pulling up the article. Where'd it go? Where did Goblin Town article go? Right here. A Goblin Town. No, that's not even it. It's this one over here. So this was a free mint. We're skipping over this because over here we're talking about how all the blue chip NFTs have dropped massively in value. Whatever. Forget those blue chips. We're talking about this free mint that is ugly, right? Free to mint collection tops the charts. A free NFT collection called Goblin Town, launched on May 22nd, now commands a nearly 50 million market cap and is in the top 30. I repeat, top 30 NFT collections, guys. This is wild. Despite the website stating that the NFTs have no roadmap, no Discord, no utility. I'll repeat that one more time. No roadmap, no Discord, and no utility. Goblin Town is in second place for volume over the last 7 days at nearly $23 million, according to DApp Radar, beating out collections such as Other Deeds and the Bored Ape Yacht Club. The collection featuring 9,999 goblins, which debuted without any real marketing, fanfare, or the usual hype building of an NFT project. The team behind Goblin Town is unknown and often posts seemingly nonsensical, crude tweets from the official Twitter account. Despite all these factors, the floor price of the collection is 2.7. When you saw it was 2.89 now, around $5,000 on the NFT marketplace OpenSea at the time of writing. The most expensive NFT sold from the collection was fetched at a price, sweet baby Jesus, of 69.4 ETH, or about $130,000, my friends. $130,000. So if that doesn't drive you crazy, if that doesn't make you question reality, I don't know what will. But you know what I can tell you, and the solution is that if you think this project is doing amazing, which I think it is, I think that project is doing amazing, even though it's ugly as hell, it's doing amazing from a free mint. We at Danger Close Alpha are not just doing a free mint. We are also having a roadmap, which is already in the Discord. We are also having utility, which is in the roadmap and in the Discord. And we are building a community, a movement with this NFT that has not been seen by anyone else in this world of NFTs. That's the level of utility that we are bringing to Danger Close Alpha, guys, to prepare you guys, to get you guys ready for any scenario that is coming in the possible near future. So If you want a free mint, if you want utility, if you want a roadmap, if you want an awesome website, if you want an awesome community, Danger Close Alpha, make sure you get into this free mint that is coming up here in the next few weeks. Very soon, this free mint will be happening a lot sooner than you think. And when it happens, things are going to escalate quickly after that. We already know. If you don't know, I'm going to let you guys know here one last time, and I'll never mention it again. Free mint, aka the stimulus drop, is happening. Then we got the bug out drop. The rewards for heavy utility for the first movers into the space are always rewarded heavily. AKA, if you bug out of danger before everybody else, you're going to make it to your destination a lot safer than everyone else that stays behind. Don't leave under the category 5 hurricane and jump into the highway to try to escape it. Too late. If you didn't bug out early, you're done, right? And after that, we have our chapter 1 drop. Our chapter 1 drop is where our characters are coming in. The hunter, the merchant, the medic, the engineer, baby. All those 4 of those characters are coming to life at chapter 1 drop. And all I'm saying is things are going to escalate quickly, very quickly after this free mint. So if Goblin Town is at a 50 million market cap with no utility, no roadmap, guys, do not miss out on the free mint that we are dropping here at Danger Close Alpha. If you're not in the Discord, make sure you're in the Discord. Do not miss the news. Things are going to be happening here very quickly in the next couple of weeks, and you're going to miss it. You're going to miss the train. When the train is gone, you can't pull the train back into the station. It is gone. So get ready for the chapter 1. Get ready for the bug out bag, but definitely get ready for the free mint that is happening. It's going to go by fast. You don't want to miss out on this. You want to get prepared. You want to fit into this community and prepare yourself for everything that's coming, from real life resources to real life courses and action and training to online, to a community like no other is going to be built. So if you can't participate on in the real life stuff, we got a place for you, right? That's why there's 4 different characters, 4 different pillars of survivability: the merchant, the hunter, the engineer, and the medic. Everyone has different skills. Everyone has different strengths, and we need to play into those strengths that we have. So if you can't participate in real life stuff, you have a role in this community to either be a merchant, to be an engineer, or to be somebody else that we need in this community to make sure things are happening. There will be structures created. There will be a lot of things you can do that does not require you to be in real life on these events. There's going to be a lot of online education. And besides the online education, the community that we're building here and the things that people are going to be able to do inside this community is going to be amazing and blow your mind. So if Goblin Town can be $50 million market cap, just imagine what Danger Close Alpha is going to be in the next couple of weeks, guys. So with that being said, if you're not in the Discord, I'm not going to say it again, but I am. Join the Discord. If you haven't smashed the likes, smash the like. If you haven't shared out the live, share it out. Guys, until next time, always question everything, trust nothing, and like always, hodl like it's hot. Until next time, guys.